mag-rate tayo ng fidget board ko. Ginawa ko to, be. Ayan yung mga kalat namin. Ayan o, gawa-gawa pa si adik ko ng kanya. Let's go. My favorite. First things first. Itong ano na to ba? I rate this at 5/10. Soft siya and madaling matanggal. Okay, next. Yung tape. I rate this at 7/10. Maganda yung sound niya, be. And so satisfying. And ito naman, I rate this 10/10. Super satisfying siya tanggalin. And I love the sound. 10/10. And it's squishy. 9/10. So really squishy. Never getting off squishy. And alcohol. Actually, wala siya labaras. Um, 9/10. We had this by ASMR. This one. Bracelet na gawa sa tulang siya, be. Kasi wala siya sound. Ito naman. Tagal siya Ano ba na to? Ayan. I rate this. Hindi ko siya maano eh. Okay. See you sa part